Guys, today we're taking a look at the Retekess TE202 over-the-counter hearing aids. Now, hearing support is one of those areas where a lot of people struggle quietly for a while before doing anything about it. Maybe conversations are getting harder to follow, maybe the TV volume is creeping up a little bit each year, or maybe you've started getting that annoying ringing in the ears like early tinnitus. Now, traditionally, the solution can be complicated, expensive, and usually involves appointments or prescriptions. But devices like the TE202s are designed to be simple, over-the-counter hearing aids that you can just buy and use straight away. No complicated apps, no phone setup, just simple controls and a few different listening modes. So today we're going to go through what you actually get with these TE202s, how they work, and whether something like this could make sense for everyday use. So if you want to find out more about the Retekess TE202, stick around. I'll be back in just a few seconds. What's up YouTube, Dave here with Seeing Through a Lens, and thanks for stopping by the channel. We make lifestyle videos and all things tech, so if that's your kind of thing, then please consider subscribing to the channel and clicking on the bell icon so you could be notified of new videos. Now guys, hearing aids are normally something people associate with medical devices and specialists, but over the last few years we've started seeing more and more OTC hearing aids, meaning over the counter. These devices are designed to help with mild to moderate hearing loss, and the idea behind something like the TE202 is simple. You take them out of the box, you put them on, adjust the volume and choose the listening mode that works best for your environment. There's no apps, there are no Bluetooth setups, there's no messing around with complicated phone settings, which honestly, for a lot of people is probably exactly what they want. Now, before we get into it guys, Retekess did send me these to take a look at and for me to give you my honest opinion. And guys, you know that whatever I review, you're always going to get my honest opinion, good, bad or indifferent. So let's get them out of the box and see what we have. So guys, open up the box and we've got some paperwork. And then we have an accessories box which includes spare ear tips, a cleaning tool and a USB-A to USB-C charging cable. Then guys, you have the main event, the charging case that houses the hearing aids. And I've got to say, this is pretty well designed. It's compact and feels pretty nice in the hand. Now on the side you've got the USB-C charge port, and on the front you've got an LED display showing battery life of the case and also each individual hearing aid. Open up the case and you've got the two hearing aids. Now these are the traditional type of style, not like a few that I've seen that are designed to look like AirPods, but these are definitely more of a modern hearing aid design. Now as I said, the TE202 is a behind the ear design, which means the main body sits neatly behind your ear while a small tube goes into the ear canal. Now they're actually really lightweight. I mean, I think I measured them out at around 15 grams each. And once they're in place, they are surprisingly discreet. I mean, from the front, you can barely see them. Control-wise, things are kept deliberately simple. Each unit has its own volume control, so you can adjust each ear independently if you need to. So if your left ear needs a little bit more of a boost than your right, you can just dial that in. Now, where things get interesting is the listening modes. Instead of complicated equalizer settings or phone apps or whatever, the TE202 just gives you 4 simple modes. You've got general mode for everyday listening, you've got indoor mode for conversations in quieter environments, you've got outdoor mode to help deal with background noise, and you've got that tinnitus masking mode. And switching between them is simple. You just hold the button for a few seconds and it cycles through the modes. Now, tinnitus, if you're not familiar with it, is that ringing or buzzing sound that you hear in your ears, especially in quiet environments. And the masking mode essentially introduces a soft background sound to help that ringing less noticeable. It's not a cure, of course, but for some people, it can make quiet environments a lot more comfortable. Now, in terms of sound performance, these use multiple noise reduction algorithms designed to help make speech clearer while reducing background noise. And in my quick testing, conversations definitely came through a lot clearer, even with a fair bit of background noise. Battery life is also pretty impressive. You get around 45 hours of continuous use, and the charging case gives you additional charges which total around 160 hours before you need to plug the case in. So realistically, you're looking at several days of use before worrying about charging. And when you're done for the day, you just drop them back in the case and they recharge automatically. So guys, there you have it. The Retekess TE202 is designed to be a simple, easy to use hearing aid for everyday solutions. There are no apps, no complicated setups. You just put them on, adjust the volume and choose the listening mode that works best. They're comfortable, the battery life is excellent, and the tinnitus masking mode is a nice extra feature for anyone dealing with that ringing in the ears. Now, of course, these aren't a replacement for professional medical hearing aids. If you have more severe hearing loss, in that situation, you should absolutely look to speak to a hearing specialist. But for mild to moderate hearing support and something that's simple and rechargeable for everyday use, these are definitely worth taking a look at. And guys, at the time of this video going live, you can pick these up on sale right now for $269. I'll also leave any links and any further discounts in the description. And guys, if you have any comments, then please leave them in the comments section below. And if you like the video, then please give it a thumbs up. It really does make a difference. And if you'd like to see more of my content, then please subscribe and click on the bell icon so you could be notified of new videos. Thanks to you guys for watching, and thanks to Retekess for sending me these very capable hearing aids to take a look at. I'm Dave with Seen Through a Lens, and I will see you the next time. Bye for now.